Hey everyone, this is Austin from Integrail, and I have some very exciting news for you. We just dropped our new agent marketplace where you can try our pre-built agents for free today. So far, we have a YouTube video analyzer as well as a web research agent. Deep research and research-based agents are going nuts right now in the AI industry, and this is Integrail throwing our hat into the ring. This is just V1. We're going to be adding on new features and new agents all the time. Okay, so first things first, you're going to start here on a normal Google page and go ahead and type in our new URL, agents.integrail.ai. So here's our homepage where you can see where eventually we'll have a whole marketplace of our agents. As of right now, we just dropped our web research assistant as well as our YouTube video summarizer. Let's show you how we can actually use these today. Go ahead and click on use this agent. Let's start with the web research. So in this case, what I'm interested in, think of like the deep research from Perplexity or Grok 3, things such as that. This is going to basically search the web, and in the case, it's going to take the top 3 URLs and it's going to break them down for you. So something that's really pertaining to me is what are the top AI conferences in 2025? And then go ahead and click research. So it shows you what it's working through. As you can see, it's working on the final report right now, but it's also listing out from all these URLs what is actually inside of them. So all of the different kind of relevant AI conferences that I can go to this year. Things like AI World Congress, if you're in this space, these are the correct conferences that you want to go to. And it just breaks down all of this information for you. So you can imagine, whenever you're doing research for work or for personal as well, you type this in, whatever you're looking for, and it's going to break down in a very digestible format what you're looking for. So that's our web research agent, which for me, and I think a lot of people that have to do research constantly for work, this is a game changer. So from there, I also consume a lot of YouTube videos. So the YouTube Summarizer makes my life a whole lot easier there too. So let's go ahead and look at that. Go ahead and click on YouTube Summarizer. And this is the idea here. Whenever our YouTube video is posted and it has captions, obviously it has a transcription that can then be broken down into normal text, which obviously we've known from working with LLMs in the past, that giving it text to kind of give its underlying thought process behind is how things work. So if there is not a caption video or not a transcript of it for the YouTube video that you're actually trying to choose for the most part, it might not work as well. So let's go ahead and head over to youtube.com. So here, let's go ahead and search up Lex Fridman. Perfect. So this one about China, DeepSeek, and all about AI is something that I really am interested in. I'm sure a lot of you are as well. But no, notice here, it's 5 hours long. Now, oftentimes, I'm a huge fan of long-form content, but 5 hours is a lot to digest at one time, obviously. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this URL and I'm going to throw it into our YouTube Summarizer. Go ahead and put in the URL right there and then press summarize. You can even see it knows exactly which video I'm talking about here. So we're going to ask for it to summarize. And then below, you can see that it actually gives this summarization, the introduction, breaking it down into each section, things like that. And one thing that you can kind of see behind the curtains a little bit is if you keep scrolling down, you see the raw transcript. And if you keep scrolling, I was scrolling for like 5 minutes just to look through it. It just keeps going. It's a 5-hour long video. So in this case, obviously it's super long. But it takes all that text and it breaks it down into really relevant sections and information for you to digest, in this case, a podcast, but it can kind of be any video you'd like in a much better and easier way to see. So as of right now, these are the two agents that we have. But the really important thing and the big thing is in this industry, obviously AI as a whole, that it's moving so fast. And oftentimes, what is the question that those of us in the industry are asking ourselves? How can I use this for something that pertains to me specifically? I want a very particular use case, whether you're in HR, maybe you're in marketing like me, maybe you're in sales. This is where we want your input. And we want information from you all, where it could be very useful for us to, of course, hear what are the things that you think that you could use on a day-to-day basis for an agent to make your workflow, your life, whatever it is, easier. So this is where, if you could leave a comment below, you could send us an email, you could DM us on social medias, let us know what kind of agents you want to see in this marketplace. Because as we keep going and as it keeps growing, we want it to be customer-centric. We want it to be user-centric. Whatever you're looking for, we're trying to build. And as this keeps growing, make sure to follow this channel and follow us on our social medias, because that's where I'm going to be updating people on what are the newest agents that are coming out that you can try. Oh, and if I haven't mentioned this yet, for right now, these agents are completely free for you to try out. So make sure to head over to agents.integrail.ai and give these a try today and let us know what you think. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.